Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's video I am going to show you how to create a newsletter in Wix, and it will be a complete breakdown step-by-step video. So if you are running a Wix website and you want to keep your visitor a customer engaged with your email updates, then promotion or content, this tutorial is for you. So throughout the video we will cover setting up Wix email marketing, designing your newsletter, adding subscribers, and sending your first email campaign. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, you just need to be access Wix email marketing. So that for reason you just need to be logging to your Wix dashboard. How you can do it? You just need to be search Wix.com. If you have an account, then you will redirect to this page where you can see it. Then you just need to click over here, explore, and you can go to the dashboard. This is the simplest one. So I will click on Wix. Once I click over here, then let's see where they will redirect us. So here I just need to be click on this ad site and click on this one, like select your website which you want to do work, and now you will be in the dashboard panel. As you can see, this is our dashboard. Here we have a bunch of options. In the left corner there is a sections divided into 3 columns, so you can see it. So now you just need to be looking for marketing and SEO options. So let's find it out. So site mobile app, so let's go to the inbox, and this is the customer list. Then here you can see we have this marketing options. So from the left hand menu you just need to be go to the marketing, and here you will have the option marketing home, Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, social media marketing, and many more. Then you have another one is customer and leads. So you can go with these 2 options. These are the thing. So just click on marketing, then click on email marketing. Once you click over here, now here you can see that we have an interface where they are telling us send your first week's email campaign, pick a template and make it your own, reaches out to your audience with a branded message so receptionists can keep up with your blog. So here you just need to be like, if it is your first time, Wix may prompt you to set it up. You just need to click on start email from scratch or share a blog post. So I'm going to click on send a newsletter. Just click on edit template. So Wix email marketing is a part of a Wix AdScan tools and allows you to send beautiful mobile responsive newsletter to your audience. Let me give you a tip that the free plan gives you up to 3 campaigns monthly and 200 emails per campaign. It is great for beginners, so you can use it. So now they redirect us to the editing panel where we can change our newsletter. We can add whatever we want. We can add the logo if it is needed. So let's add our logo, change the image, and let's click on change image. And now we just need to be upload our logo over here. So just click on upload media, then choose from our computer. So let's go, let's try to find out a logo for our design. I already created a logo, this one. Let's paste it here, and here you can see it will take a while to upload it, so we need to be keep patient. And you can see add to page, and our logo has been added. So we are using an pre-built template here, that's why it is totally completed. So here if you want to add element, you can do it. Let's create a new campaign. So first of all, you just need to be create. Let's go and let's again visit our Wix. So here let's click on Wix. Again let's click on our desired website, and here I'm going to click on marketing and select the email marketing, and from that place, okay, back to email marketing. So from that place I will create an like newsletter. So here I will click on view all campaigns, and now here we have the options to create a new campaign. So you just need to click over here, new campaign. From that place you just need to be click on create new email. Here create email, and now here you can see that our email has been done. So you just need to choose a template. If you're using template that suits your goal, it could be announcement, it could be newsletter, it could be promotion, even it could be events or blog updates. Or you can start blank for full customizations that we selected, that is the full blank. So on selected, you will be taken into Wix drag and drop email editor. As you can see it, this is the drag and drop email editor. So let me give you a tip that start with a simple newsletter layout, like image on top, heading short, then short text and a button. That is the simplest one. Once you're done, you just need to design your newsletter. Now it's time to customize your content. So this is our template we're using. So you just need to click to the text box to edit headlines and image like messages. So if you click over here, now you can change your text letter. So I'm going to make it subscribe newsletter. So you can change it as you want. Then if you want to add image by clicking the image placeholder, just click this one. Once you click over here, now you will get the access in the left corner to change the image. So let's click on this one and try to upload an image from our desktop again. So here let's use this image. Yeah, I think this will be good. So it is uploading. So you can upload media or choose from Wix library. It's totally depend on you. Then just click on add to page and you can see that our image has been added. So here we have button called discover. So you customize your CTA button, change the text and link to your site or product page. And also you can add this divider option. This is the divider. Here we have couple of options. Here you can see it. So you could use this divider, columns or social icons to make your email engaging. You can also adjust fonts, colors, padding, layouts. So it will make your template more engaging. So let me give you a tip that is keep it mobile friendly by previewing your newsletter on mobile view in the editor. So here you can see it by using couple of things on the mobile. So it's totally depend on you how you want to see it. So once you're done, then we will go on to the next step, that is add or import contacts. So before you send your newsletter, you will need receptionist. So go to receptionist tab in here. If you check, let's go back to this one, and here you have couple of things that you will find, that is receptionist tab. Choose from site members, like here you can see. Then use site members, your store customer, a contact list to create. You can import contacts manually by uploading a CSV file or entering emails one by one. Make sure your contacts get constant to receive marketing emails to stray GDPR and can spam complement. If you want to grow your list, add a newsletter sign up form to your Wix site using the forms widget. So when you're done, you just need to click on preview and test. Like before hitting send, just click preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. Just click on this, and here eventually you can see this is the list. And if you want to check the mobile friendly, then you can check it from that place, and you can see that our newsletter is mobile friendly. Then use the test email button to the email yourself a preview. Like click on test email, and here you just need to provide your mail address and then click on send. Double check. Okay, and let's send it. So you can double check link, spelling, button, actions, and don't skip this step. This is a necessary thing. A small mistake can make a big difference in open and click through rates. So here, as you can see, test email was sent successfully. Done. Let's check this out. Here you can see that it's really working. It looks really nice. We change this thing here and it's visible. So send or schedule use newsletter when you find out that your newsletter is working perfectly. So if you want to track the performance, you can do it. Like after sending, go back to the email marketing dashboard. Here you just need to come over here, then you will get like open rates, click rates, unsubscribe rates, then bound rates. Use this data to improve your next email. Try different subject lines, content style, or call to actions. So that's it. If you found out this video was really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new exciting topic.